you want to automate all these different parts in the buying, the manufacturing, and the selling. And that's like your software engineering background coming into this and trying to think of this whole process very differently. But then now you're experiencing all these interventions where people have demands for the size. They want to add a hot tub. They want to customize the unit. They don't want something straight from your website. It's not like Amazon where you just buy something and you get it as is. They want to have their thumbprint on the final unit. They want it a certain size. They want it a certain height. They want this opening cut out in the middle. So how do you balance that that dilemma, I guess? Like, because you want a certain SKU of units on your website and you wish people just opted for that and made no modifications because it would be faster to produce these units. But people want customization at the same time.
Yeah, we approach it a few ways. Some customization, especially when someone's a tiny homer and it's their primary residence, we just suggest, hey, this is built like a home. If you want to put cabinets everywhere, clever storage solutions, you could do that on site. And it's your home, so you're going to get a lot of pride out of doing that. How we look into customizations, we keep it very split, right? 30% of what we build is the customer came to us our own design, and the other half is this is a production Model A unit, maybe a couple mods here because we allow 3 or 4 variants, but we have a playbook for it, so we still move very quickly, type deal. And the reason why we take on custom units like that is because if you look at our menu, it's user driven, right? We're bootstrapped, so we didn't spend any time, or really we didn't have the funds to design what we think the market wants. People came to us, we built it for them, the first unit, and then we market it. We take photos, we do lifestyle shoots, we furnish it, put it on our website, and it's the e-com rule of if it gets clicks, it sticks. So our menu, if you look at it, it's that these were at one point a customer design layout. We put it as a product on our menu, and it had enough demand, so it stays there. If it doesn't, we just do the e-com thing. We put it to the gallery as something we can do, type deal. So we'll always do customized units, right? Because frankly, there's only so many things you can do in the container, and we build playbooks based off of it. The first model goes a little bit slower, but we really study like, hey, now we know how to do glass garage doors here. Now we know how to do sunroofs, two-story decks, things like that. We're sort of, our R&D is funded by our users, and we just, we love them. Our clients rather, we love them. We just document the heck out of it, like you would do with any software process. And so now we have a playbook to go do it again.